Okay, so today the concept is modules and packages. If time permits, we'll see the exception handling as well. All right. So before that, any questions in the previous sessions, from the previous sessions, any questions, any doubts?
Even though the functions are clear, but I'm finding it a little hard when using it in examples.
When using it in the
Previous days assignments or in examples.
okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. You're from non-technical, right? So initially
Yeah.
a little bit, yeah. You just need to make more practice, even the one which we will do today as well. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. So um we'll see the modules, right? See, function is simple, right? So you just need to put everything in def. That's it, and then call it. Whatever the parameters required for your logic, you just pass. Okay, so now I'll just put modules packages. Okay, anyway, today also we'll write few of the functions inside your modules anyway. See, there is a concept called modules, right? And packages. Modules and packages are nothing, do with your complex logic, nothing to do with your complex logics. It is as simple as you segregate your source code. That means, however, how you want to put your code is what is the main important thing here. For example, okay, how many of you use Instagram, Facebook? I think, well, all of
Yeah, I use Instagram.
right. So cool. So when you say you're using Instagram, you have different features, right? So one is your chat feature, correct? One is your post, right? Maybe another is your comment section, right? One is your story, if you imagine an Instagram. But how they developed Instagram, okay, we don't know, but still we can actually probably we can sense it, right? We can sense it. How they would have wrote Instagram, for example, while they are building a chat feature, right? Chat feature, message, right? Messaging. So they may have chat.py if they are doing in Python, right? Chat.py, right? Inside that, they may have send message, send method, right? Receive method, etc., etc. Right or wrong, guys? Okay. Maybe uh, this can be your case, right? Making sense, guys? So all this chat.py can be what is your Instagram chat section? Do you have any name for that? You don't have any name, you just have symbol, right? Chat symbol, huh? What is that? Messaging, right? For example, you put messaging or maybe chat. Chat says a folder. Inside your chat folder, maybe you can have, maybe I'll do it more frequent, send.py, right? See, imagine you are a Facebook developer for some time or an Instagram developer for some time. This is your chart. There is a chart functionality. Imagine that you are developing it, right? You are developing it. Just a second, guys. Okay, let's imagine you are the developers of Instagram. This is your Instagram chat features, right? So while I'm giving you a code, okay, till now we have wrote in Jupyter notebooks, right? Jupyter notebook or maybe VS Code, Jupyter files, everything, whatever we learnt till now, that's fine. Even you can write the same send.py, whatever the logic, whatever the methods you have, right? Send message. There could be one method called send message inside this file. Okay, maybe there are other methods as well, but yeah, just making it simpler. Receive message could be one of the function in your .py file. So guys, till now we have learned in IPYNB. IPYNB means Jupyter notebook files, right? Cells where we execute each and every line of code in the cell. But going forward, we are going to do in the Python file itself. Python file extension is .py. Text file extension is .txt. CSV file .csv. Excel .xlsx. So these are all the file extensions of your uh, Python, right? The .py is your Python extension. So now, if you're trying to implement a feature called chart, for example, right? How you will put is inside your charts folder, you will put send.py, receiver.py. Okay. Now, I also want to implement posts feature. See, this is just we are organizing our code. What I'm saying is we are just organizing our code. Nothing to do with your logic, guys. It is the way you are organizing in your folders, right? In your files, you will write some methods, right? We will see everything. Here you may have in posts folder, you may have post.py, right? Inside you may have post and post add method. Okay. When I say in this brackets, it's a method only, right? This is one method. So this is how your development grows, right? This is how your development grows. See here, each Python file is called module. What is the module, guys? Each Python file. Each Python file we call as module, right? Then what is package, guys? See, in your package, you have collection of modules. You have collection of modules. Whenever I say module, it will be your Python file, right? It will be your Python file, right or wrong? So collection of Python files. See, all these chart related Python files I kept in your chart folder. This is your called as package. These two things you have to remember. Package. Each Python group of modules, right? Group of modules. This is called package, guys. Right? This is called package. Guys, getting understood the definition?
Actually, no, can you explain again? Sorry.
Okay. May I know what exactly you didn't understand?
This ending the package group of modules.
See, here you have send.py, right?
Yeah.
Receiver.py. And charts is a folder. Inside your chart folder, I have send.py and receiver.py. Two files inside your folder, like this.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Mm,
so this folder is called package.
okay.
This file is called module. That's it.
Got
Right?
it. Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. So now inside, just let me delete this, guys. Yeah. So now I want to create one. I'll just create one day modules package demo. This is just I'm creating a folder for us. But going forward, see, generally, if you see your production code in Python, everything, you generally have this kind of, you know, hierarchy, which we are going to see now, right? Now, okay, I will create a folder, right? I will create a folder inside see, this is your normal folder, okay? First, we will see modules, guys, okay? First, we will see what modules. Now, I want to create a calculator program. I will just want to create a calculator program. So now my file name, see, forgot about Jupyter files for some time, right? Now we'll talk in Python files, but the process, everything is same. So cal.py, calculator.py, any name you can give, .py should be your extension for your Python files, right? So now if you just give an enter, right? So your file is created. Just creating a file with .py extension. Getting, guys? So, so now we are going to add few methods. We are going to add few methods. Add method. See, functions, Saroja. So why functions are difficult, you are saying? We'll see. See, first how to add two items, guys? How to add two items? A plus B or X plus Y, right or wrong? Maybe X is some value, Y will have some value. X is equals to 9, Y is equals to 0 or 8. Okay. This is fine. This is clear, Saroja? Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Now to convert this small functionality inside your function, what you'll do? What you need for addition? What you need for addition? Two variables, right? In this you need two variables. So for that, I'll create a function called add. It can be any name, not only add. For a proper readability, I gave add. You can give add 1, add 12, whatever. Okay, add 1. This is my function name, guys. So my function needs two variables, right? I'll put x comma y, right? I will just do return x plus y. Now clear? The same thing I converted into function.
It's clear.
Clear? Same thing I converted into function. Okay. See here, when you ask someone to write a function, they will just write like this. Now they can pass add of 4 comma 5, right? When this will execute, function will execute, and it will return the value of 9. Hope this thing is clear as we discussed in our previous sessions, right? So now you're okay with function, little bit clarity.
Yeah, little bit clarity.
So now subtraction, I will just do this, guys, just making it more readable. This will be your output is integer. I'll put this. See, this is just a type. See, x will be what type? It will be integer. Y will be what type? It will be integer. And output will be also be integer. See, here x is integer or not? We'll give 5 plus 4, right? 5 and 4. Integer or not? Similarly, I'm just decorating it. Nothing more than that. Sorry. Right? In my calculator, I'll have these functions only, right? I'm just showing different types of functions. See, if I want to call subtraction, see, it is giving me x integer only you pass. Then I will know, okay, I will pass integer 5. Y also it is taking, but it is passing integer 7. And the output will be integer. If I execute this, I'll get 5 minus 7, right? Clear? This is just a decoration. If you don't give, no issue. It's just a way of writing. That's it, standard. But I recommend you guys to adopt this, so that whenever someone is calling this, they will get to know, okay, I have to pass integer, I have to pass and one more integer, then I'll get an integer. This is what people will think when they are using your function. By the way, why the functions are there? To do a reusable code, right? We can go with reusable code where this addition can be used with different lines. Whenever I want, I can use add function. X comma y return x into y. Clear? So now let's say I have in my calculator I have three methods. Okay, for now, for easy. I have how many methods, guys? Three methods.
Three.
I will write a comment. See, in your Python, how do you write comment is putting hash. That means when you write hash, whatever you write, it will not execute. Okay, it is just for comment. Okay, because see, this don't have any meaning in Python, but still you will not get error. This is just a commenting. Why do we put comments? Say for example, mm, this function takes, this function performs addition. Okay, this I'll put simple, performs addition. Just to know, whenever someone is seeing your code, see, you sent me some code, for example. I don't know in the first go by seeing the logic. If you have 10 lines of code in a single function, 10 lines of code in a single function, right? I might take some time to understand, right? I might take some time to understand your logic. But this will give me the understanding. Just for understanding, we will write comments. Clear, guys? This function performs addition. Now tell me comment for this. This function performs subtraction, right? Tell me comment for this. Can anyone? This function performs,
Multiplication.
right? This is just a comment, right? You can write whatever line you want. But if someone is seeing your code, they will understand, okay, this function will do multiplication just by seeing the comment itself. This is just coding standards, guys. Okay, this is nothing to do with your logical stuff. This is your coding standards. Okay, clear? Any question till now for me? And if you see, I told the doc string on the other day takes two parameters, two integer parameters I'll take. Okay, this is doc string which and performs addition. Why this doc string is useful, guys? Whenever we are calling, whenever we are calling, we'll get to see this. I'll show you. See, you are doing print, right? Print is a function. What is showing? Prints the return value to a string. Similarly, if I call sub, takes two integer param just for readability, guys. Just for your code readability. Okay, this is your document string, doc string we call. See, whatever we are writing here, whenever we are calling, whenever we call it in other place, it will be helpful. Okay, if I just hover this, I'll get to know the entire picture. One is x, it will take two parameters x, y, and the output is integer. Here the description takes two parameters integer and performs subtraction, right? Clear, guys? This is just a decoration. This we have seen in the last class itself. Okay. So now my calculator is ready. My calculator is ready. So now I want to use this calculator. I want to use this calculator in some different file. Can you give any name? Maybe main.py. I'll call this as my main. Okay, just a second, just a second. Yeah, I'm creating this main.py in the same folder. Okay. One more file I'm creating, guys. a basic file, Python file. Okay. Now I want to use my calculator functions again here in this file. I'll get a scenario. Okay. I'll get a scenario. I want to use this addition method, right? This addition method in this file. So what is your thought, Saroja? Like, what do you want to do now? So I want to have addition logic in this file. Shall we implement addition logic? Guys, just a second, guys. Just a second. I think. If I want to use addition logic in this file, right? Addition logic in this file. So what is the way? General way. Whatever the way you know, you guys tell me.
Import the addition function from a module.
Okay. Saroja, what is your take? Sorry, I can't hear you.
You hear me?
Yes, now it's fine.
My internet is a little wobbly. I just
Okay,
couldn't
okay.
listen from last 3-4 minutes.
See, you have your calculator program here, right? Have your
Yeah.
calculator program where you have different functions. These are just decorations, right? Different functions.
Okay.
Now, I am creating a new file, right? So when I create a
Okay.
new file, now I want to have addition logic here. So what I will do?
We'll define a function and
Okay, like this.
yeah, and we'll return the value of a plus b.
This is what your addition logic is, right?
Yeah, yes.
But think as a function definition now. See, in function, what we told, function is a reusable entity, right? So we already have a addition logic here. Why
Okay.
why do we need a addition logic here? We just use this addition logic, right? We'll just call it whenever we require. The function definition is that, right? We just need to call our methods whenever you require because we'll define it once. We define it once. We define it once. Whenever it is required, we will call, right? So how to call? See, in this file you can call like this, right? Add of 4 comma 5. This is fine, this will work, right? When I execute this, so how to execute Python file, guys? I'll show you just a second. uh, yeah, see, when I click this one, you'll have a terminal here, terminal, or when you go here, you'll have a terminal. This will be your terminal, right? So when I click this, click that, you will get it here. So now I am in this folder. I'm in this folder. Now I want to move change directory. CD means change directory. I'll go to this folder. Just moving in a command line. That's it. Right? Just I'm moving to this file. That's it. In the command line. I'll just show it again. Repeat it. Just check. Just check. So now this is your Python file. I'll go here. Click this. You'll get a terminal, or I'll go here, click it, I'll get new terminal. Now inside the new terminal, whatever the folder you'll have it here. This is your command line, CMD. Simple like this, CMD. But in VS Code, you will have CMD automatically. So I have to travel to this file. See, now I am in which directory, guys? In August DE batch, sorry, AWS DE August batch. Inside that, I have module file, right? Module folder, module package, CD, change directory, modules, MO, I just tap, it is coming at modules, package demo, put enter. Now, I have this file. So let's see what are the files. These are my files, right? Now I am in this folder in VS Code, in the terminal. Okay. Now I will try to execute this code. How do I execute this calculator.py? I am calling this in calculator.py. How do I execute this? Get, I'll just write print, guys. I'll just write print here, right? I'll just print this output. Okay. So now to execute any Python file, you have to do Python, okay, Python and file name. What is the answer, guys? See, I'll again repeat this step. Have a check. I can go to terminal like this. Go to terminal, Python. What is the file? cal.py, right? See what it is saying. Read this, guys. Read this. No such file or directory in this folder. Currently, you are in this folder. You have to move to this folder, right? Because cal.py is available in this folder. If I show you, this is my hierarchy, right? August DE batch. Inside that I have this folder, and here I have cal.py. Like this also I can do. Open in terminal. I have this. Like this I can do. But when I'm doing in VS Code, I'll just move to change directory, CD. Any folder you can move. If you give path, CD path, any directory you can move, right? So now I have modules, module, yes, underscore pckg underscore demo. Now my terminal is in this folder, guys. Okay. Now inside this folder, what are the files you have? cal.py and main.py. So now I will execute the calculator.py. So when I execute this program, when I execute this cal.py, what is the function I am calling? I am calling add function, which is available here. Takes two parameters 4, 5 and gives the sum of these two. So let's see, guys. How to execute Python and file name. Python and file name. So what is my output, guys? It is 9. It is 9. Clear? Till now, it's clear or not?
Yeah, it's clear, but a small doubt.
Yeah, yeah.
So if we execute anything from cal.py, every time we have to write Python this
Yeah.
cal.py.
Exactly. See, whatever file you are executing, Python space file name, Python space file name.
Okay. Even though we are doing in the same file, we have to use it multiple times.
In the sense,
In the sense, we had an addition in this calculator.
addition is a method.
Yeah, I understood. That's not what I'm asking.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so we got the answer for the addition by doing Python cal.py in the
Right,
terminal.
right.
So if we do subtraction or multiplication, every time we have to use Python cal.py.
Yeah, I'll tell you. See, whenever you are executing cal.py, whatever the code you have, it will execute.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose you are also trying to print multiplication of two files, two items, right? So
Okay.
now if I do cal.py again, Again, you have to do because you changed it, right? Whenever you change,
Okay.
you have to rerun. Simple.
Okay. Okay.
So I will just run python cal.py. Now, whatever there inside this file, it will execute. Only we are calling
Okay.
two functions here, so we'll get 9 and 8. Clear?
Okay.
Fine, clear?
Got it. Yeah, yeah, got it.
Okay. Now I'll remove this. Now I'll remove this. So now, inside my main, I want to use add. See, there are two ways. One way is you told you have to define the add method here. My point is why to do it again and again. We already have your functions concept where you can reuse the code, right? Functions are useful to do the reusability, right? Functions, we can reuse your own code because we already implemented this functionality. I don't want to implement it again, I just want to use it, right? This is my idea. Clear? Now, how to do that? How to do that, guys? I'll show you here how to do that. I want to. What is the meaning of import, guys? English meaning. Import. Imports, exports. Guys learned? Business. Import, export. Right? Importing means getting, borrowing, or maybe, you know, moving the data from here to there. Right? This is what import. Moving to our area. Correct? Moving some goods to our area. Right? Exporting means sending. Clear or not? So now we are, see, now main.py and cal.py are in same directory. That means these two files are parallel. Parallel means these are in same directory. It is not somewhere here, right? Both are in the same directory. Okay. When both are in the same directory, right? When both are in the same directory, what you can directly do is you can directly import, calculator, right? You can directly import the file name. What you can do, guys? You can directly import your file name. That means this step, what it will do is whatever the functionalities are present here, you will get it here with a single statement. Whatever the functionalities you have in your cal.py, everything you will get it here with your single line, right? Let's see. See, import cal as every time I don't want to write cal. I'll just put C. I'll just put C shortcut as is a renaming aliasing. You'll heard, right? Okay, Shahina is alias of talking, for example. Like, it just means a nickname or a rename, whatever, right? We just call this. We just put this entire thing as C for our shortcut, as C, right? Now we imported all cal. So now how to use this cal, right? How to use this cal? Let's define two variables, 7 comma 8, 7 comma 4, for example. Okay. Now, what do my C have? C will have all your entire file. See, cal.py is more what? File, guys, right? Cal.py is file or not? Inside main, I'm just importing this file. Remember like this. I'm just importing the file. File is nothing but module, right? Python file is nothing but module. In short, I am importing a module of cal. I'm representing it as C. Now I want to call add method. See, I'm getting add, right? See, when I just put a, add will take any, takes two integer params and perform addition. So now, where is this add is coming, guys? Where is this add coming from? Where is this add coming from?
From calculator.py.
Cal.py, exactly. Because see, we have this doc string also, two integer params and performs addition. Let's see. I'll change this. I'll change this to something. This is a decoration code, right? We have learned in your functions class. Now I'll see. See, getting? You're getting from there? Whatever you are adding here, for example, whatever you are adding here, I'm just put star. See, I just kept star, save the file, Control S, and then see guys. That means which function it is using? Whatever we imported from this file, it is using this addition function. Clear guys? This addition function. Now you no need to develop a new function called add. You just need to call a comma b. See here x comma y, it's fine. A comma b I can call because my two values are a and b. Right? I see. End of the day it want what values? It want 5 comma 6 7 for example. These are just the numbers, right? Numbers are treated as x and y here. Same thing, a is also having some number, b is also having some number. I'll just put a and b. I'll just put a and b. So this a is equals to 7, b is equals to 4. Now this a will go to x, right? X position, positional arguments. If I told you in the last session, b is going to replace y. Some people will just call x comma y, but you should know everything. This is easy, right? But you can see code like this also. People will declare A, people will declare B. It's just a position. It's first position, right? First position X, second position Y. That's it. First position X, second position Y. First position some number, second position some number. Some number is equals to A here, right? I'll put A. Some number is equals to B here. I'll put B. That's it. Now I'm calling this function, right? I'm calling this function. I will put it into some variable called addition is equals to this because it is returning some value, right? I will just do print addition comma addition. This is your text and this is your value. How many of you didn't understood this program? I have not executed yet. How many of you didn't understood this program? How many of you understood? Your voice is not clear, Saroja. Yeah. Can you repeat it once? Okay.
Yeah, understood.
You understood, right? So here,
Yeah.
here you need to pass some value. This value is represented at x here. It doesn't matter you pass a, b, it should be some number. Yeah, it should be some number, right? You can pass anything, but it should hold a number. And this number a is 7 at the moment is copied to x. B is copied to y. And then you will get x plus y. So now I'm just assigning this to addition and then I'm printing it. Now let's execute this code. So how do I execute this code, guys? Send me in the chat the command. I have not received any till. Can you guys? Okay, cool. One response I got. Cool, guys. Yeah, you're on the fly. Python main.py. This is the addition text in print and the answer is 11. That means, in short, wherever you write your function, you just import and use it. This is what your module concept. Clear, guys?
It's clear, but I have a small doubt.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
What if the files are not parallel to each other? Like it is in module that we
Very,
have
very,
two files.
very good question. Very good question. Yeah, yeah. We'll see that. I'll cover in packages. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
definitely. Good question. So we'll see that, right? So now here I don't want to import all the functions. I don't want to put load, right? I want to import few functions which are required. See, I'm using addition only here, but why to import all? You'll get all this code. See, what is happening virtually, this all code will come here, guys. All code will come here. When I do import cal, that means cal code is coming here indirectly. See, you're using this thing, right? This cal code is entirely coming here virtually behind the scene, right? Import means simply coming to that point. So now I don't want to put all the things. So now if I want to use only subtraction method, okay, forget about this. I'm just writing it down, guys. Okay, I just want to import only subtraction. Okay, what I will do, see, carefully listen. From calculator, it's the English language. From calculator, import sub, only subtraction method I am importing, right? Clear, guys? Only subtraction method I am importing. A is equals to 5, B is equals to 6, C2 is equals to subtraction, direct sub. I didn't put as S, I can put it as S something. So I want to write however I want. See, this subtraction is imported, right? 5 comma 6. See, guys? I want to put the comment for this. I don't want to execute this for now. For now, I'll just put comment. I just want only subtraction. Can I execute, guys? What will be my answer? Please tell me. Guys, what will be my output?
-1.
-1. This value, sub result -1 I'll get. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll try to do addition also. See, I commented this code, entire calculator file, I just commented. I'll just try to use addition, guys. I'll just try to use addition. Is it coming? See, there is a warning. Add is not defined. Why add is not defined? Guys, why add is not defined?
Because we didn't import from cal.
We didn't import it. We just imported only sub. If I put add here, I'll get it. See, comma. Now it gone. Warning error is gone. 2 comma 3. Print add C3. Clear? Python main.py. Clear, guys? Any question till now? This is your modules concept, guys. Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Hey, now see, it is automatically created. Python will create whenever we are using this modules and packages generally. But yeah, now we'll go for packages concept. We'll go for packages concept. Inside this folder only, I'm doing everything. Please see here. I'm creating a new folder. Just a second. I'm creating a new folder here inside this. Packages demo. packages demo. This is my folder. What is the definition, guys? Package is collection of modules. Right or wrong? It can be 1, 2, 3, whatever it is, right? It is a collection of modules, but also you should have one important file at least. What is that file? Is in underscore init.py, just a dummy file. Sorry, underscore init.py, underscore init underscore dot py. See, whenever you are trying to create a package, you just put this file. Okay, then Python understands this is a package, right? Just an empty thing. This will give you a package. Python will treat it as a package. This will not treat it as package, guys. See, this it will not treat it as a package. This will be treated as a package. Even in modern Python nowadays, I think I'm not done at research. In modern Python, I think this is also even treating as a package, even if you don't declare this, but I have to check that. But still, this is the standard, guys. Whenever you have packages demo, init.py you have to have. So what is the package definition? Collection of modules. Collection of modules. So now I will do, I'll create module again. I'll create a module again inside this package. See, again same, calculator dot py. I created a one more. See, only see this. These are different. These are outside. We'll come to your question, Saroja. These things are outside, and we are trying to create a package inside this, right? Trying to create package. Inside that we have one more module called calculator. If I want to show you, this is what it is, right? Cool. Now I want to create a function to add two numbers. I'm creating a standard function, guys. Add numbers, x comma in, z also fine, but yeah, x comma in, y int, we'll just write this function just want to protect. This is a decoration, right? When someone is using this function, see, you'll get this. Just whenever someone hover pointing your function, right? See, even here also, what we done, we just hover this. You'll get this text. This is simply a doc string. This is called doc string, right? Ideally, we put in 3 triple quotes, but yeah. Fine. So we'll just do return of x plus y. This you already know, guys. Okay. Now I want to put similar things: subtraction, division, multiplication. These are all different functions I have developed in calculator.py, which is inside your packages demo, right? So now if I want to import this functionality, divide numbers. Okay, if I want to import the functionality, right? Okay, I'll create a new file, guys. See, this is inside your package. I'm creating a file outside. Saroja, clear? I'm creating a file outside because now I'll answer your question. Package app, okay, something, any name. Now see, I have calculator.py here, right? I have calculator.py here, right? Inside your packages demo, inside your packages demo, outside this, outside this, okay? Outside this, I am creating just package app. I can do it in main also. I don't want to disturb this main function. I'm uncommenting this. I don't want to disturb this main. I just creating a new function, new file. Simple. Parallel to main, but not parallel to calculator.py. See, have a check, guys. Parallel to your main cal main and package app. But packages demo, inside this you have calculator.py, right? Now I want to import the division numbers, divide numbers, right? Divide numbers, which is inside your package, which is inside your package, right? Which is inside your what? Package. Package, that means module inside your package. Package is a collection of modules. So in short, you have this calculator.py in packages demo package, right? This is not a parallel file. So now I want to use it here, guys. See, simple, same thing. From packages underscore demo, from this file, same thing. Here also we use it that only. From cal, import these two, right? Same thing. From packages demo, we have to use from import. I have to do import or not? Whenever we are using module, we'll import calculator as cal or c1, okay, c1. Clear? This entire file I imported here. Guys, clear or any confusion? You want me to repeat once?
What if I do not now this calculator will import all the four functions from it, right? What if I'd
Exactly.
want to just import package demo, calculator, and division?
Yeah. I'll show you that as well. Just hold a second. Yeah. I'll show that example as well. Okay. Clear? First, we'll see this calculator dot. See, what are the functions you are getting, guys? Add numbers, divide numbers, multiply numbers. This just I press simple C1 dot. Add numbers, divide numbers, multiply numbers, subtraction of numbers. Clear? Where are these things? It is in calculator.py. Where is this calculator.py? Inside your packages demo. Clear? Add numbers, right? What I call division numbers, right? Divide. I'm calling divide numbers. I have to pass two parameters, x comma y. So 8 comma clear, guys? You getting what I'm writing? Simple. From here the things are simple. Just we use from. Simple. We use from. Clear, guys? Any question till now at the moment whichever I discussed? I'll handle your question, Shaina. But any question till here in this code? I want you guys to understand this code. Simple. We have to put from, that's it. From packages dot import, because this is one level up packages. If you have one more folder, we'll deal it in a different way. We'll see. Till now it is clear or not?
Yeah, it's clear.
Sorry, I'm just putting main. It's not main now. It is a different file. Package app. So division it 4.0. This is the division of these two. Saroja, your question is cleared. You asked me
Yeah,
whenever the
it's
file
clear.
is not parallel, how do we do? Okay, now we'll go to
Yeah.
China's question. I want to import only, I'll just comment this because to import only one function because it is importing everything, right? From packages demo dot calculator import. See, calculator is what? Calculator is what, guys? See, I'm just traveling to the path. That's it. Packages dot calculator. Simple. Packages demo dot calculator. Simple. From path. See, indirectly it's a path, guys. Simple. Wherever your functions are there, you go to till that path only. Wherever your file is there, you'll go. See, if you have one more folder under this packages.py, inside that if you have calculator.py, that means if you can have one more folder here. Inside that you may have calculator.py. What you will give? You will give that folder name here. Just you are traveling to path by putting dots. Packages demo.calculator import. What do you want? Division, right? Division numbers. A is equals to 6, B is equals to 2, divide numbers. See, I'm not getting addition numbers, sub numbers, right? Multiply numbers. I'm only getting divide numbers. A comma B. I'll just do it, right? Let me execute this, guys. See, answer is 3, right? Clear? Clear your doubt? I just imported only one function. Now, if I want to do addition, A comma B I have, right? See, I'll just do A add numbers, right? See, I'm not getting it even here. Add. Inside this, I have add numbers, calculator.py. If I do that, it is asking add numbers is not defined. I can just import that add numbers. Now it is, error is gone. Clear? Hope I answered your question, Rena. Okay, cool. Cool, guys. So this is the way of importing. See, if you see any Python code, basically you'll have these kind of things. The file starts itself from this. See, you have to use as much as possible, right? You need to use your code as much as possible, guys, right? Now, what are the other ways? We have seen this thing and this thing, and also we can directly import in this package.py itself. We can directly import packages.demo because the see packages.demo folder itself is parallel to this. So that's why I could able to use packages.demo. If some folder is inside this package.demo, for example, RAM is the folder. Okay, inside RAM I have something, right? Inside RAM I may have something. This RAM is present in packages.demo. So if I go to RAM, I have to do like this package.ram import whatever the functions I have, right? So now I'll just remove. It is just a way of traveling to that path, guys. That's it. But it is just see the whole concept is modules and packages having whenever someone asks you in your interview or somewhere, what is module? Module is your Python code. Simple .py files where you have classes and methods. In Python code, what do you have? Methods, right? You may have classes also. We'll see what is class in going forward. What is package? Package is a collection of modules where you have init.py at least. So now I can directly do import. I can even avoid from and I can do import calculator directly as CLC and I can use CLC dot add numbers, right? So it is showing Entire cals I am importing. Just import. Just import. Cool. This is one way of doing. Just a second, guys. Okay. Yeah. If I execute this, okay, I have to print it. I can just print the whole thing. One go. See, guys, 3 comma 8. 3 here, 8 here. Addition. Is this thing clear? You'll also see in Python code. See, if you want to import everything, you can do like this. But what will happen is some of the source code you will see like this packages demo. Okay, inside that you have dot calculator, import star. These both are same, guys. Both are same. If you want to use only from notation, you can do this. Even inside this cal, see, where is this main? Yeah, even inside this main, from cal, import star means what? Star means everything. The meaning of star is everything, right? So simply, I want to import everything in this file. I'll go to from, I'll go to the path of the file, import star, everything, right? It depends on your situation. If you want to do everything, you can import everything. If you don't want to import everything, just put your function names here. Add subtraction of numbers, whatever it is, right? Getting guys, these are the different ways of dealing. See, ultimately one blind way is go to from, go to path, packages dot calculator, import whatever function you want. If everything you want, star. That's it. If both are parallel, just do import that file. Both are parallel, just import that file. This simple thing is enough. If you want specific things, import from. Guys, simple. Two lines of code you have learned till now. One is from and one is import. Right? Even see, this import is still the common one. Import is still the common one. But you are doing it from. Okay? Clear. Cool. I'll add one more file, guys. I'll add one more file. Just give me a second. So this is your calculator, right? In packages.demo, I'll create one more file, which is called JSON demo.py. JSON demo.py. I'll add a code for this. See, this is my code case. This is my dictionary, key and values, and I have two methods. Once see this code once, guys. Read this code. Just for 1 minute, read this code, what it is doing. Guys, understood the code? See, here I have my data in your dictionary. Name, Sai, course, this thing, message, good morning. In this same file, I have defined two functions. If someone want to use this function, get course, I am giving course. See, I am preparing a functions, right? The purpose of implementation is you need to prepare your functionality. Now I am preparing. I have my data like this. I am preparing two functions. One is message and one is get course. Now if someone is using get course, I will give this data of course. Data of course means you will get entire thing. If someone want to use this message, I am just putting data of message. I'll say good morning, right? That is the mindset. If someone want to use this function, or if I want to use this function in future, if someone want to use this function, I have to define the function in such a way someone can use it by just passing parameters or just by calling it name, right? Or I can reuse the same function sometime. So for that, what I am trying to do, guys, how to use this function? How to use this function, guys? Can anyone? Can anyone? How to use this function? In JSON demo, get course I want to use. How to use it, guys? What are the ways to use this function, get course, in this file? File is outside and JSON demo is inside your packages demo. In this file, I am using get course.
From package demo dot JSON underscore demo import
Packages
getco.
demo, JSON demo, import
Get course.
get course. Okay, cool. I'm just printing this output. Clear? So is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
See, I'm getting AWS Python, which is your course. See, I want to parse data like this. If someone is asking a question to parse the data, you are straight away going, which we learned in dictionaries, lists, and all these things. We are just enclosing the things in the functions. Okay, I can do the same thing. I'm just importing get course, right? I can do the same thing in different way, right? In different way. It's completely fine. From packages.demo dot json, I'm going to that path, right? Import star. Simple. You can use message also here, right? Print. Import star means I imported everything. You can directly you see star when you use star. When you use star, use the function name as it is. Message. You don't need to do c dot b dot because everything is this thing star, right? You can directly use the function print message. You don't have as, you directly using this import star, right? This is one way of doing. Let's see here. Good morning. Now if I use it with some variable, some representation, package demo.json, from package this package I want to import only this module, like this JSON demo as j, sorry guys, as j. Okay, this is one way of writing. It can be confusing once you need to practice this. J dot get course, whatever it is, but it might be little bit confusing, I know, because you have too many kind of things. See, but ultimate thing is how you are traveling to that particular file. Packages.demo. See, once you are reading this, you are able to understand or not. Guys, once you are reading this, able to understand or not? From packages.demo, that means this is a folder because you have a dot after this, right? From packages.demo dot, that means everything is done. This is a file. JSON.demo is a file because there is nothing dot after this, right? Sorry. There is no dot after this, right? We came to end. This is your end, right? If something have RAM, for example, ram.demo. Sorry, what's happening? Yeah, if someone have RAM folder, RAM package.ram.demo, till I went to this file json.demo. Last thing is file, guys. Last thing is file. That means, in short, we are actually traveling to the file, right? From packages.demo, import everything and then use however it is. Same. Use it the same way. Here also, from package demo, I went it here. From means I went it here. Import only this file. Okay, I imported this file and name it as j and use that j.getCourse. Two ways of doing. See, once you see these three, you will get the answer. Only these three lines. Today's class till now, we learned only these three ways of doing. Just have a look, guys. Have a look. Have a look of these three for 1 minute and let me know whether you are able to getting whether you are able to get the things or not. Guys, clear? From packages.demo, see here you map this way. From package.demo JSON. Straight away I'm going to the file, right? In this case, in the both the cases, I'm going to file in here only. From after from I'm going to file from package.demo, from package.demo. Import everything, import only get course. Here what I'm doing, from package.demo, import only file and put it as J, then use that. See, these two are similar. This is a little different. Clear, guys? Guys,
Yeah,
clear?
it's clear.
Cool, cool. Yeah. Fine. We'll take a quick break for 5 minutes. We'll close the class at 6 o'clock. Okay. Time is 5:11. We'll join at 5:15, guys. Right? 5:15. A short break. You guys are back.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. So you understood the concept, right? How to use the methods. Simply, we are writing a code and just not discuss any logic. I'm just discussed about the organization of your files, right? See, you can also, going forward, I'll tell you if you guys can remind me in future classes. I'll just show you one thing, guys. Just a second. Technically, the class, the concept is completed, but I'll tell when you're working how to work. That is important, right? See, whenever someone asks you to implement some logic, right? Whenever someone asks you to implement something, right? What you guys will do? What you guys will do? You guys need to, someone might be implemented some functionality already, right? See, most of the functionalities are already available in Google. You just need to use it, right? Some of them are in the form of packages, right? Someone might be implemented that package and you will just download that package and use the methods inside that package. So for that, what you just need to do is, see, in Python, if I implement something, or some expert is implementing something, for example, everyone implement in pypi.org. This is your Python package repository. Whatever the packages are there, you can push to this, right? Experts push it. Suppose if I want to implement some game, right? You can just search for game related packages. See, game 19. We don't know what it is, but yeah, a chess game. See, if you want to implement a chess game, for example, someone already implemented it, right? You just need to do pip install chess game. Okay, you just need to do pip install chess game in your project. In this, let's say this is your project, okay, project folder. Inside this, you just do pip install chess game, right? You already have pip install chess game. If you put enter, what will happen is whatever the Python files required for this, like, see, whatever the Python files this guy implemented, chess game, right? Someone implemented chess game. So whoever implemented this chess game, they upload all your files here, right? All the files in this repository, this website. So if you do pip install chess game, it will download all the Python related packages, all the packages into your project. Then you can just use it, just use them, just call it. Okay, just I'll show you a small example. Okay, we'll not go to chess game for now. April 10, 2025, I implemented one package. Just like your calculator, guys, just like your calculator. Okay, this is my, in this Python repository. See, everyone don't push to this repository. It's not easy. I mean, it's not so difficult also, but yeah, at least in your project, right? Just we see, at least in your project, you implemented this package, right? Calculator.py, json.py, everything is in your package, and you are able to use. This is fine. So what if you want to use Google Maps? Guys, how do you use Google Maps? You cannot build Google Map, right? Here, calculator program, you build it from the scratch. You have built from scratch. But what if you use Google Map? So say, for example, you are just developing a website like Zomato. Tomorrow, if you're developing a website called Zomato or an app called Zomato, inside that Zomato, you have a feature called Google Map or not? Map tracking. Guys, you have that or not? Clear? So what they are using? They are using Google Map. So how will you get that Google Map feature inside your app? So what developers generally do is they just go to Google, implement Google Map feature in Python. They'll just Google it. We don't know the logic, right? How Google Map is implemented, we don't know. See, we need some Google account, right? And we just need pip install Google Maps, right? Pip install Google Maps. And this is for web format. See, this is just a Google. I just Google. I have not done anything. I want Google Map in my application, in my project, right? I cannot build Google Map. It takes years. So someone built Google Map. Google company built Google Map. I want to use that. Google company implemented the Google Map and kept in a package called Google Map. See, import Google Map, right? Straight away they are importing pip install. First you need to do this pip install. First get your Google Maps downloaded into Google Maps files downloaded. Files means, see, here you have this file, guys. See, here you have this file calculator.py, so that you can use that calculator.py here, right or wrong? But Google Map file is not available. Calc.py is available. Google Map file is not available. To get download that Google Map file, you just need to do pip install Google Map. When you do pip install Google Map, it will try to download whatever the required Python files, okay, for the Google Map. Clear? Just import that Google Map. Okay, see, Google Map dot client. Client means your phone, right? And geocode. If you give address, for example, if you give address, if someone types address in Rapido, right? Geocode. Rapido, how the Rapido is doing? Gmaps.geocode function. This is the function. See, I also don't know the function. After Googling, I got to know, right? Gmaps.geocode. Okay, I just gave my address. Okay, 1600 Ampere Parkway, California. I gave this address. Now it is giving some result and I am fetching lat long. See, in this result is what, guys? Dictionary. See, this result is what? Dictionary. Inside this dictionary, I am getting one list of 0. Inside that list, I am getting geometry, location. You simply copy paste this code and try one by one each line. Execute each line, you will get it. But you should have Google Maps API key. I don't know how to have Google Maps API key. I'll ask to Google, okay, how to get this Google Maps API key. It will give some steps, right? It will give some steps. Use it. Finally, you will get that key. Use that key, and you will see what is this? Getting directions, origin, destination, directions. You will get directions in your Google Map or not? Whenever you want to go from location A to location B, you will get some directions, right? It will show the map. See, everything available in your Google. You don't need to worry while coding. Everything available in Google. You can execute one by one line. Read it. See, read it. You, by reading, you can say, right, okay, origin, destination. That means start location, end location. Google Map dot directions. Directions is a method, right or wrong? Dot directions. Google Maps dot directions. Import Google Maps, right? Google Maps dot directions. You have all these things. Simple. Give origin, it will give you. You don't need to worry. It's like add, calculator dot add. I passed parameters, right or wrong? It gave me the result. Simply it is giving result as dictionary. Once print the dictionary and see how to go there. Simple. I'm just taking one example. It's okay if you're getting 50%, but yeah. So now similarly, I have implemented one package called, this is my own package, guys. Okay, I implement this package and kept like this. If someone, if I want to use this package, this is just a greetings. It will give you a greeting. Greet someone with a friendly message. Okay, see, release history April 10th I have done. Okay, these are the files, whatever, however but this is no matter. See, whatever there inside, it doesn't matter to you, right? You just want to greet someone, right? So now I just copy this, pip install greetings. Just let's use that package once. Let's use that package, guys. I'll use it in this file itself. right? I'll do pip install. In the terminal, I have to do pip install. In the same folder, terminal, I am doing pip install. I just copied and pasted and hit enter. You may install package into global environment. Okay, it's okay, fine. See what it is showing. Requirement already satisfied. If someone trying in your system, the same thing. Someone is trying in your system. Guys, can someone try this in your own system? Pip install, I'm just pinging. That means someone updated the package and I want to use this package. I want to use this package and what are the methods inside? Guys, someone download this? Can someone find the pip install? Because I already installed. See, when I do pip install, what it is doing? Installing Sai is great, collecting, catching, successfully installed, right? Successfully installed. This is what you will get. That means all the Python files which are used to implement this package, which is used to implement a package like this, all the Python files implemented for this package will come into my system, my computer. I am downloading. This will, what it will do? It will download all the required Python files into my system. Collecting, using, installing. Installing means what, guys? Just download and install, right? Simple. I'm just installing that pip install this package. In this package, right? In this package, what I have, guys, you know what method I have in this package? We'll see. See, now I downloaded this pip install, right? Now I'll do from Sai is great. See, it is showing because it is in my system now. It is in my system. It is downloaded somewhere in Python. It is downloaded where Python is installed. Sai is great, right or wrong? I'm getting it or not? Sai is great. Import. I have kept a method called say hello. See, say hello method is coming. I have one method inside that. Say hello. I just want to print. Say hello to. Give some name, guys. Say, okay. Say hello. Say hello is method. I'll pass some name. Say hello to Saishwar, for example. Now see, guys. See, you don't have this method, right? In your system initially. It is someone implemented this. Someone, okay? Some XYZ candidate implemented this method. Now to use this method, I have downloaded this pip install. Pip install this thing, right? Pip install this thing. Now, inside that, I have say hello method because I am the author. I am saying what is the method. Otherwise, you should have documentation, right? I am saying say hello is the method. Inside that, if you pass name, it will greet you. Let's see and run this file. Hello Saishwar. What I passed here? I passed my name Saishwar. It is saying hello Saishwar. It is just adding hello, saying hello to this. Is this thing clear, guys? See, everything is available in Google. Most of the things are available in Google. Someone might have implemented. See, if you want to, if you are building some big enterprise application, let's say you are building a Rapido application. Simple. If you are building a Rapido, you know or not? I don't know this because you guys know Rapido? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. If you are given a task, suppose if you are working in a company, okay. Similarly, someone is competitor to Rapido, Uber, Ola. Some new company came, you joined in that company, right? If someone asked you to build some Google Maps feature, right? Use Google because in Rapido you have Google Maps, right? It is showing the direction of the driver, right? So you don't know how to build the map. What is map? See, how to get the map in the Python? Definitely you will be feeling blank, right or wrong? Even till now, you'll feel blank. I'm giving a very big example. Don't try this. Of course, if you try, that is more than good. But I'm just telling you can try it. You can try it, but you need to have some knowledge of keys and all. That's it. So when someone asks you to try Google Maps, so what you will do? You don't know anything. Nowadays you have ChatGPT, it will give. Okay, let's try ChatGPT. Yeah. Okay, let's do this only. See, AI mode. Just I done what I have done. How to implement. Now what you will do? You will go to Google because you don't know anything. You just know the list. You know the dictionary. You know the string. You know the methods. You know the packages. Till there you know, and you know how to do for loop and how to write small logics. See, you have APIs for Google Maps, right? Someone implemented the API. Okay, what is API? I'll tell in couple of time, right? So how to implement? Okay, see, implement, because no one knows this. You have to ask Google. Even I also don't know to implement Google Map. Google Map built lot of years. Building a Google Map took lot of years. Okay, now implement Google Map. Google Map feature in Python like Rapido, something like this. Okay, it is giving the answer. Pip install Google Maps, import Google Maps. Pip install means downloading Python files. Import these Python files. This key will be there because for authentication. Because see, this is Google, right? You should have one Google account. Google account will give you some key. How to get this key? You can ask later. Google Maps.geocode. See, simple. This is your Rapido code, guys. See, Google Map geocode. It will give you lat longs for this location, right? Then directions, origin address, destination address. You have to take these two address from user, right? Mode is driving. See, even I don't know. I'm just seeing along with you guys. This is lat long 1, lat long 2, distance matrix. Okay, just Google Maps dot distance matrix. Just print. If you don't know, print this. Calculating the distance and time. It gave already. See, whenever you're using Rapido, it will show, right? You'll reach in 40 minutes. You'll reach in 30 minutes. 6 kilometer, right? 6 kilometer, 30 minutes, right? So that is what this method is doing. Distance matrix, calculating time and distance. If you just do Google Map dot distance, lat long 1, lat long 2, you will get it. What time you will reach programmatically, right? But in Rapido, you will have a UI. See, this is the way of implementation in Flask, which I have not told this Flask. I will tell you in one session. Then we can see how to implement this Google Map. All the code is available, right? You don't need to worry. See, even I don't know anything, but after reading this code, I'm getting something or not. I'm getting something or not. This is method, file and method, class and method, object and method, whatever it is. This is some method, right? Directions of print brackets. Check the brackets. What this method is giving? Getting directions. See, these are comments, right? Clear, guys? So now we'll do a small application, okay, real-time application. This is GreetMe. This is my application. Now we'll build a small application, guys. Okay, everyone ready? Small application. So now see, this is a useful application for you all. Generally, I'll give it as an assignment, but I want to do it. But I want to do it because you guys will understand little better. If I give you an assignment, you may feel little difficult, but now I want to do this assignment. Just 10 minutes, guys, we'll close it. 10 to 15 minutes. What this guy is telling project and this guy is telling 10 to 15 minutes. Don't worry, you'll feel the same. See, I'll create one folder here called notifications project. Project name is notifications. Okay. Now, I'll create one file called tifa notify.py. Simple project, guys. I want you guys to understand how to use this, right? How to use this. Okay. I want, see, my use case is, my problem is, understand. Now, this is very important, guys. Understand this very clearly. Now, my use case is, I am sitting in front of system more than 4 hours every day. Till 4 hours, I am not taking break. Okay. till 4 hours, I am not taking break. But I want to build an application. I want to build a small project where it will notify me for every 1 hour. For every 1 hour to drink some water. It should notify me to drink some water for every 1 hour. Can I do this or not? This is valid problem statement or not? I want reaction, guys, please. Is it problem statement or not? Yes, yes. Okay, cool, good. So now what I will do is, I will search in Google, right? I will search in Google. What I'll search? I want to, now I'll just put build an desktop. Just Googling, guys. If you want something, you'll just Google, right? You want some shopping, bangles. How do you Google? What is the best bangle shop in Hyderabad? What is the best clothes showroom in Hyderabad? Or maybe in Delhi? You will get some few installings and you will research and do. Right or wrong? Same thing here. Build a desktop notification app. Notification in Python. Right? Guys, right or wrong? See, this gave me some code. So what it is giving, guys? See, it is asking me to install this Piler, right? Piler, Plier. So this Plier is a package. If you see, this Plier is a package. PYPI Plier, give the same. If you want, just do some research like this. Plier is a platform independent API to use commonly found on various platforms, notably mobile ones in Python. Okay. See what it is doing on Android. You can use, okay. It is used like this, Pythons, and in iOS you can use this. Windows or Mac commonly you can use this. Okay. See all these things, recording. There are some different factors: battery, Bluetooth, brightness, call, camera. Only with this package we can use this, right? All these features are available. It is what it is saying. See, to use on desktop, it gave me clear. Now what it is giving, it is clear. To use on desktop, use pip install Piler, right? Pip install Piler you want to use in the desktop. So, in short, what you can do, first you can do pip install Piler, right? Pip install Piler. You see, guys, see, this is released on November 2022. That means we can just rely on this. Okay, then I'm just researching. See, I'm just working like a machine. You just see, I'm just working like a machine. Okay, I'm just reading whatever I don't know what to do. I'm blank. I don't know what to do. Okay, these people implemented this. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. Someone implemented Piler. If I want, I can do the I can visit the source code. I can download the source code, right? I can download this. See, this is my documentation, whatever. Pip install, hash check code. I don't know. I don't know why I'm open this. Simply I'm using, right? Project description. In the modern era, okay, I have this package is there, that's fine. So now in Google, you got like this, right? Copy this, pip install Piler. I have created this notification. I don't know anything. Whatever Google is giving, I am doing. Simple. Pip install Piler. Already having. If you don't have, it will download, right? I already have it. It is downloaded here in this location, right? Plier in this location. Now, once you download, we have to use it or not. So how they use it, first we will study. Okay, how they use, we will study. From Plier, import notification. Okay, notification is one module. Getting? Notification is one module. Right? So now it will go to title. Okay, title means notification, my desktop notification. Message, okay, this is a sample message sent from a Python to Pyler. Okay, just a message, guys. Sip water. Icon, optional. See, they mentioned it is an optional. If you want to give an icon, you can give, else no. Timeout. Notification display duration. Getting? Notification display duration means what? For every 10 seconds, you want to display this. Okay, or you have different things also. See, you have different library. One is Pyler. You can, one option is this, you can use Pyler. See, same thing, bangle shops. I can have different bangle shops. Two bangle shops I got here. One is Pyler, one is Win 10 Toast. This is useful for Windows specific. This is cross platform, like Ubuntu you can use in Windows, Mac, whatever. That is what cross platform means. And we will copy this function, guys. Copy this entire code. See, now we got to know what exactly required. Notification dot notify. This is class and this is method. See, notification import, cal dot add, notification dot notify. Notification dot notify is a method. See, even I am looking it for the first time like you. Okay, inside this, okay, title, message, icon, timeout. Let's copy this. Let's copy this. Just copy this, right? Display duration, 10 seconds it will display. Notification display duration. Okay, I have copied it, guys, right? From player, it's the indentation. Okay, okay. Just a second, guys. It created. What I'll do, I will take the same code. Okay, I know why it is coming, because we have virtual environment created here. I'll tell what is virtual environment, everything. Okay, let's do the same code in our Jupyter notebook. I'll tell you later why I'm doing. For my system, at least for my system, it's some issue, not an issue, because I have not told what is virtual environment. I don't want you guys to do that. Okay, maybe let's see. Let's see, guys. Coming back to new folder, notification. Indentation error. Okay, what is this indentation error, guys? I have not used any function, anything. I just want to put it like this from each line. Could not load your icon. See, some icon is not loading. For now, it's optional, right? I'll comment it. I don't want icon for now. See, the error is could not load icon. I just commented it. After I'm doing, you guys need to do this as an assignment. App icon. See, icon is not using, so I will remove this. It is notified. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, you can't see the other screen, right? Okay, cool. I will just share the other screen, but I'll improve. Okay, I'll change it to other screen, guys. Just give me a second. Notifications on. Give me a second, guys. I'm just verifying it my end, whether my desktop notifications are working or not. Then I'll share my screen. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I'll just show you. Just a second, guys. What I want to do is, my problem statement is what, guys? See, we know this is what the method is, but what is my problem statement? For every 1 hour, it needs to
Remind to drink water.
remind to drink water, right? So for that, what we can do is, just a second, guys, just a second. I stuck somewhere here. See, even I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm like you guys now, right? I'm just turning on my notifications. Just give me a second, guys. Just verifying my notifications. The other window. Okay, cool. Now I got the file to execute. Let me do this thing. I'll just explain you guys. Just a second. Sometimes what happens is you just need to turn on the notifications. Okay. Then run this. Okay. Can some of you guys share your screen and run this program for me? I'll send this program in the chat. Sometimes what happens is if you don't have this notifications turned on, it will not show up. But yeah, I just sent you key. Sent, guys. Yeah. Can some of you guys share your screen? Actually, I closed my notification when it came. Let me stop sharing. Now, guys, can some of you share your screen and take the things from chat and run the code? Just execute it. That's it. Nothing to do. Execute the code. That's it.
I'm sharing the screen.
Yeah. Okay, mine do not. Okay, guys, now I'm getting. I turned on my do not. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, I want you guys to do now. Yes. Now notifications are coming on my end. Yeah, yeah, cool. I just disabled do not disturb service. Yeah, you can share your screen now. Yes. Share your screen. Copy
Is it
thinking.
visible?
Not yet. Yes, now it's visible. Now what is, see, in the terminal, you should
Yeah.
not do, okay, give me the remote control. See, this is coming in like this, right? That means you have used it somewhere here, Python or something. Okay, you have to come out from this terminal. Do pip install. Pip install Ply. PLY here, right? Correct? Because
Yeah. Yeah.
you're not getting it.
Yes.
Okay, need one only. That's fine. You don't need this also. Just install this. Pip install Ply. See, downloading, right? Plier is downloading your required packages. Okay, cool, guys. So now what I'm doing, try to understand. What I'm doing, while true, that means this loop never fails. It always true, right? Until unless this is false, this loop will break. That means this loop never breaks. 24 into 7 running, right? Inside that, what I am doing, I'm just doing notify title message. Notification, this notification dot notify, which will give you a desktop notification inside that title and message, and I'm putting 10 minutes sleep here. Ideally 1 hour sleep should be there. It is seconds 3600. If I put like this for every 1 hour, getting, for every 10 seconds, for now we'll see, for every, okay, we'll put for 5 seconds, for every 5 seconds what this loop will do. See, guys, what it will do. Okay, can you save this file somewhere? Same way.
Shall I save it?
Can you save this file with some name, notification, something?
I'll save one.
Wherever the VS Code is there, you can save that. Desktop Python. Yeah. Save with some name. Save with some name.
Oh, sorry, save it.
Okay, cool, cool. Where is that? This one, right? This one, this one, this one.
Which this file?
This one, right? Your file.
Yeah.
This is the correct file name. Okay, let me do this once. Where is your, this is your editor, what?
Yeah, this I saved.
Okay, this you saved, but I'm not getting rename. Why? Okay, let me close this. Where is the file you saved? In Python.
No, not in this.
Okay, can I open the file like this?
Yeah, yeah, please.
See, guys, this
Yeah,
one.
from player. Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll do one thing. I will first go to that file position. We'll just rename there. Rename that file. And go to that file once normally. How do you go to that file location?
Then you can see.
No, no, no. Okay, change that name to some name, just notification. If you can stay, change that, because I think you shared only one VS Code. We can only see that. You can reshare
Yeah.
your entire screen if you want.
Yeah, I'll close it and I'll reshare the display.
Yes, please. We'll complete in 5 minutes, guys. Already it is working in my system. I just want to show you guys in your system.
Can you see?
Yeah, can you rename this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Notification.py.
Yeah.
Space. Remove that space. Before and yes. Yeah. That's it, right? Now go to VS Code and open this. Okay. Now just run this file. Maybe you can run it with here, this option, top, or you can run Python.
Can it runs from here?
Yeah, you can run it here. Like, see, I'm just clicking this. There is a button, right? See, right side top.
I couldn't hear you properly. Sorry.
1 second. Can you give me the control? I'll
Yeah.
just show you how to run. See, one is Python, this thing, and you have an option here, run button. Just run it. It will. Is it running? Okay, now it's running.
Okay.
See, it printed this. While true is something, whenever true, it will go inside, right? I'm just kept while true to run it 24/7. But your messages are not coming. And just go with settings. Notifications. What will happen is, see, notification is turned off and do not disturb is turned on. Just a second. Okay. These two are fine now. Now let's see. Getting notification?
Yeah.
Getting? This is your icon.
Yeah.
Icon means any image you can put. Clear?
Yeah.
For every 5 seconds it will get. See, why for every 5 seconds? While true means it will go inside, right? It will go inside. Print, it is printing. Sip water. Notification dot notify, we know it will send a notification in desktop, right? Because we read it in Google, right? It will just send notification. What we need to pass? Title and message. These two are mandatory, right? See, title is what? See, please drink some water is title, right? Message is you need to drink some water. These two we gave it here. And sleeping for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, again this loop will run. It will not break, right? It is not breaking. After entire code is done, it is keep on running. These 3 lines will completely execute 24/7. Because this is infinite loop. We are not putting any condition. We just kept true. It's straight away running. Until unless you kill the program like this, stop code run. Until unless you do this, this program will keep on running. It will give you the notifications for every 5 seconds, because this is first printing and now sending notification and sleeping for 5 seconds, and then again doing this, sending notification, sleeping, printing, sending notification, sleeping, printing, sending notification, sleeping. Clear? This 3 lines of code, guys. I imported time to use sleep method, right? I imported player notification to send notification. So now what exactly happened? This method is sending this line is sending notification in desktop. Now if I want to put the seconds, right? If I want to put for hour, how many seconds? 3600, right? Per hour. Just save this, stop this. You can stop using control C here in the terminal. I just stopped it, right? If I run this program, okay, it didn't stop. Okay, if you run this program again, you will get this after 1 hour. Just a second, it's not killed properly. See, it is running still. You have to kill it, right? Let's put 60 into 60 for hour, 60 seconds, right? Something background is running, guys. So, don't worry, the for loop is not killed properly. Yeah. Hope you understood now. Clear? What exactly happening? Okay, when it is not doing like this, task manager. Okay, now it's not coming, right? It killed now properly. It killed now. You're not getting notifications, right? If it is not killed properly, you can kill it from here anyway. Did you got hanged? System hanged?
No.
Okay. You can stop sharing your screen.
Okay.
Now you understood, right, guys?
Yeah, I understood.
It's simple. We don't know till last 10 to 15 minutes how to send notifications, but Google helped us. Yeah, you can stop sharing your screen. Clear? China, clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
My notifications are keep on coming, guys. Just a second, I'll stop my process. It is in my other screen. Let's come. Yeah, cool. Guys, any questions in today's class? Guys, any questions? This is the code from Google. Now I want you guys to put this code in one function and call, right? One function and call. In function, what you will write? Def function name, def function name. Sorry. Just I'm writing it roughly here. This is your assignment. Def function name. Here I will do while true. Now send notifications. Notification dot notify. This will send you notification. No need to do anything. If you're sending normal message with your normal text hand, just typing, it will send message, right? Behind the scene, this method is called. That's it. Title and then message and give timeout something. Put everything in one method and call that method. Clear, guys?
Yeah, it's clear, but little confusing.
Okay. Cool. Okay, confusing means what part you are just having difficult to understand.
Mm. The thing we did right now, this notifications and all.
Yeah. Notification. See, even I
Please.
don't know. I don't know this notification. What I have done is I copied this code from Google only. You can try doing the same thing without seeing, right? Okay, what player is doing, I read. Okay, player is used to send notification. Okay, inside player, I have notifications module. So now I want to send this notifications for every 1 hour, 60 into 60, 3600 seconds, right? 60 into 60, sorry, 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. Okay, I'm just putting sleep. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm just sending notification, then sleep for 1 hour, send notification, sleep for 1 hour, send notification, sleep for 1 hour. Simple. In this code, I got it from Google straight away. But I kept while loop because I want for every 1 hour, for every, that is what your loop, right? For every 1 hour. I kept this inside your loop and kept timeout 10. Here it is 10. I just sleep. I just keep putting sleep to sleep the process. Sleep is new method which will put you sleep for seconds. Clear? Again, you guys to look and implement line by line, you will understand it. See, Plier is a platform commonly used to notify. Notably, here what it wrote, use it to use on desktop, use Plier. I didn't ask, I just asked like this, simple. To create desktop notification in Python, you can use two libraries. One is Plier and one other is Win10. It is Windows specific and this is Windows, Ubuntu, Mac, whatever it is. Clear, guys? For only Windows, you can use this code on the experiment. But this is what I've used. Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. Anyway, you guys need to practice and you will get it easily. Don't worry. First time, code will be going forward lengthy like this. It is just an idea for every 1 hour. Okay, how to do that? Sleep for 1 hour. That's it. We put it in while loop. Sleep, 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 sleep. 1 hour, 1 hour. Then it will execute. Wait for 1 hour and execute. Wait for one. How to wait? We'll just put sleep. That's it. Okay, because this is nothing to by heart. Use Google, understand what is there in Google, add it in your VS Code, run it, check it line by line, and then things are done. That's it. I don't know if tomorrow if you ask me how to do this without seeing, I don't know. I'll just go for Google and do. That is the fact. Here guys, I just try to mimic how to work in real time. Okay, in going forward also you'll see, but how to search, how to work, like what to consider, how to experiment. Okay, you will face a lot of issues. That's okay. Based on the issue message, you can read it. Clear, guys? Any questions for me? Any questions, guys?
I understood everything, but I have one question.
Yeah, please.
But when we install pip install packages, you said